Like, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to make curry spice mix. The type you use in your chicken, curry stir fries, all those kind of recipes. We are going to be learning how to make that today. So please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Very important. So come on, let's go do this. Okay everyone, so these are the things we will be using. So we have like 7 ingredients. We have fenugreek, we have cumin, we have coriander, we have mustard seed, we have this is ginger, okay, this is our chili, and this is turmeric. We'll be working towards making 100 grams of curry spice mix. Okay, so every measurement I'll be putting here will be giving us exactly this. So let's continue. So after toasting for some minutes, 5 minutes, but on low flame, you let it cool off. So I've transferred the toasted spices into my spice blender. So I'm going to be blending. I can even perceive the smell now. Okay, so let's okay, so what we'll be doing now is we'll be adding the last ingredients to this spice mix. So here we are adding turmeric. Yeah, so this is the last thing, the turmeric. So blend it again to mix it up. So time to unveil. Wow, so here is our curry mix spice, and wow, the smell is amazing. The smell is so amazing. Can you take a look? This is exactly 100 grams. Exactly 100 grams. So this is our curry. I'm going to use it maybe in my curry stir fry with chicken, or maybe one simple recipe like that. So guys, that it is it, and thanks for watching.